Hello friends, welcome back to Technical Arts YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to add channel art to our YouTube channel. So let's begin the video. At first, open Chrome browser on your phone. After opening Chrome browser, search www.youtube.com. Now click on the selected icon and click on sign in. Now enter your channel Gmail and password. As you sign in with your YouTube Gmail account, click on three dots and select desktop mode. Now click on YouTube channel icon. Click on Customize Channel. Now click on your channel art which is already uploaded or a blank area. Now you can see a pen icon. Click over there and click on Edit Channel Art. Now as you can see, select a photo from your computer. Click over there and click on Files and select your channel art. As you can see, our channel art is being uploading. Now click on selected button. Now as you can see, we have successfully added our channel art on our YouTube channel. By this process, you can change or add a new channel art to your YouTube channel.